With PDMPublisher, you can export an entire assembly with all its references and automatically split every configuration to any desired extension. In this example, we're exporting all references of an assembly, with each configuration saved as its own step file. First, I'll choose the export location. We're targeting a folder called Step on the C drive. Don't worry if the folder doesn't exist. PDMPublisher will create it automatically. Even though PDMPublisher integrates seamlessly with SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional, you don't actually need PDM installed to use it. Next, I'll set up the export file name. The default name uses two placeholders, file name without extension and revision. I'll add 2 dashes in between and then insert the configuration name placeholder. This ensures that each exported file is clearly labeled with the file name, configuration, and revision. Then I'll select Step as the file format from the dropdown. And it's important to check the option, Export references to file formats individually, so all references get processed. We also need to check the option Convert multiple configurations. The checkbox of this feature is only enabled if the file name includes the configuration name placeholder. Once everything's set, I will hit the Publish button and watch as PDMPublisher automatically opens each reference and exports every configuration to its own file. Each file follows the same pattern: file name without extension, configuration, revision. If you're using the free version of PDMPublisher, you'll see a red pop-up letting you know your export capabilities are limited. Head over to pdmpublisher.com/getpremium to see what you're missing.